And we have the outside of the house for Christmas. We don't have lights on the 3rd story window. I guess maybe we should try that next year. Our little outside Christmas tree. I'm looking both ways before I cross the street. Our happy window boxes. Well, I don't know if they're necessarily happy, but there are window boxes. There's a happy snowman. He's smiling. Oh, you can see the inside at night. I'll get that. There's Mocha waiting, wondering what I'm doing. Hi, Mocha. Nice and cozy at night. Trixie is chilling next to a cup of tea. She's had a really long day. And just in case anybody's not too sure, yes, we believe. Merry Christmas!